Hi and welcome to the follow-up video for my reset circuit, this little board. As you can see, it's out of the machine, and from today this is decommissioned. So what happened is I wanted to create a PCB, like proper PCB for this. And in this board I used the NAND gate and NAND ICs. There's a couple of them on the market. With a little bit different pinout, so that was the problem number one. And then secondly, how this board turns out to work, it will be more suitable to have AND gate here instead of NAND gate, because I used in the end I used the inverted signal from this little IC. So yeah, in the end I give up from this design, and yeah, we will get this out of the way. And I want to show you my new circuit that I built, and this is the schematics. As you can see, there are only 3 transistors. Again, it's NPN transistors and a couple of resistors, and that's about it. So it's very simple, and I am quite pleased with the design and how it actually works. To explain this, how this circuit actually works, it's divided into 2 sections. We have left section where we receive the signals from the keyboard, and there right section here where we pulled our reset line to ground. So how this is constructed, we have a 5 volts going through 1K resistor, and the current is going either to the left or to the right. So let's see when it will flow to the left and when it will flow to the right. So these 2 transistors here together are forming a NOR gate, and the NOR gate will give us a high signal when both of these lines are low, and that's exactly what we need. So these are the signals from the keyboard port B, which is the output port, and once the keys are pressed, so these signals are connected to the pins to the port A. In that situation, these 2 lines go low. These 2 transistors are closed. The current will not flow here anymore. It will start to flow to this right side of the circuit. The first will flow down here through this 10K resistor, and it will open this NPN resistor. And then the current will start to flow here through this 100K resistor to the ground, pulling the reset line, of course, to the ground. And that's about it. It's very simple, very elegant, and I just love it. So immediately I created a PCB, of course. So yeah, all the Gerber files, everything will be available if you want to do this yourself. So here we have 3 transistors, couple of resistors here and here, and all the connections to solder the wires are on the left side. So we have ground, VCC or 5 volts, 2 signals from the keyboard port, and the reset line is here. I even added some holes if you want to, or have a place to mount it somewhere. So yeah, it's very small, very elegant, and it actually works. I already installed that little board into this machine, and I want to show you how it works. So the machine is powered on. So let me show you. Oh yeah, good to go. So machine is working, and when I press, the machine reset itself, which is fine. So cool. Yeah, very beautiful. So let me show you how does it look inside. Unplug the cable just to be sure, and let's open it up. And yeah, I would probably need to do some cable management inside here, but let's unplug this everything so it's inside. And here it is. It's very small. I mean, I left enough space between the elements, and still it's so small. It could be even smaller. Yeah, 3 transistors, couple of resistors, and just a bunch of wires, and that's about it. So yeah, like I said, I'm very pleased how this little board turns to work, and I need to connect everything. Oh, bloody hell. Maybe it's some small ribbon cable or something like that will be much better option. Yeah, definitely. But this is my little Frankenstein, and this is the way how it's supposed to be in this machine. Don't do that on your Commodore 64. Okay, so let's bring the power back and power up the machine, and here we go. Again, let's test this. So we have reset. So yeah, like I said, I'll put the link in the description of this video for all the files that you would need, like Gerber files, schematics, images, and everything, if you want to build this board yourself. And this is all that I have for you today. So until next time, goodbye.